Getting ice cream.
Couldn't resist it. Getting this one?
Yeah.
Too much powder? Plus he's choking on his matcha powder. I have cocoa. Oh, it's dripping.
Didn't expect that. Careful.
This Hokkaido milk is just so milky, right?
Can't taste anything. The powder in my throat. Gotta say, that's too much powder.
Whoa. You just gotta lick it. I got matcha all over my belt.
She's getting another soft cream. Soft serve. We call soft cream.
My second ice cream of the day.
Second ice cream of the day. Good glow.
Good glue.
Is it better than the last one?
No, the other one felt very milky.
And this one?
This is nice and chocolatey.